Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saad Ansari, advocate, core member, Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. Today we are here in Rawalakot, near Rawalakot, and everybody knows that Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee protesting for its rights, for its 38 points charter of demand. But what we have seen in these 2 days, after almost 50 days of negotiation, mediation, we've tried our best to resolve that issue. But on the other side, the government side, the establishment, the forces, even though the people who mediate, we are very appreciative for them. But the current government and the current establishment doesn't want any talk. They just talk with the bullets, with the brutality, and killing the innocent youth of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, not in Drake, not in only Rawalakot, but across the AJK, in Mirpur, in Rawalakot, in Baloch, in Muzaffarabad. Everywhere the internet has been shut down again, and they propagate that they are conducting the elections. But what we have seen in these elections, the pro-Pakistani parties came here when they came here, they are allowed to campaign for the election. But on the other side, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, around 80%, have just rejected this political process, because this is not a political process. The process should be peaceful. The process should be deliberately allowed everybody. On the other side, the Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee declared as terrorist, where the 90% people are with Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. So I would like to address everybody, every way of life, every walk of life, even our international community, our overseas diaspora, Amnesty International, United Nations, human rights associations. We just say that we are here to protest for our political and legitimate rights. We are not against any Pakistani state. We are not against any institution. We are not against any government. Our demand is with our AJK government. But what we have seen that the AJK government shows that the puppet government, some draconian laws has been imposed in AJK, like 144, like when we talk as politically, the bar association were snatched, the rights were snatched. Every right has been snatched in AJK. So as core member from my nation, I would like to address the international community, the United Nations, the Amnesty International, and I would also thank to the all international media, because this media has been given fake news, propaganda news, and the government officials as propaganda using these media as their propaganda tools. I would like to address every international citizen, every Pakistani citizen, to came here to see with their own eyes, with their own cameras, and look that people, look them at their faces. They are poor people. They demand only just to give the right of health. Their demand is to give a right of education. Our demand is to build our road infrastructures. Our demand is to build our nation, because we have resources. We demand the claim on our resources, our dams, our water resources, our forest, our mountains, our every thing which has been produced in AJK, because it's Article 52 of Act 74, the Constitution of Pakistan, given the right of just we called in Urdu Hakke Malkiyat and Hakke Hukmarani. So we are fighting peacefully, and I would like to address again against this brutality. We condemn this brutality and want to justify our. We want to justify our case. We justified our case. The 12 constituencies of so-called 12 constituencies in Pakistan, which were used to rigged election which were used they doesn't want to strengthen the AJK government. We want that the AJK government has been strengthened. They decided their on their own. Again, I would like to address everybody to came here in Mirpur. I also condemn the brutality has been done in Mirpur. The amount of people, the count of people which were martyred here was above 150, and above 500 people were seriously injured. They were not given the medical facilities. They are not even given. We are shortage of food. The supplies line has been disturbed. The internet has been shut down. The electricity even 2 days ago has been shut down. The blackout is in AJK. So again, I would like to address the whole community of international community, United Nations, who believe in peace, who believe in justice, and who believe in peaceful struggle, came here to join us and to make our voice. Thank you very much.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ممبر کور کمیٹی مستشار میر بہت سارے ستین نا مخاطب ونکس اوورسیز تمن یہ پیغام بہ دان آج گیا 2 رٮ۪تھ 3 رٮ۪تھ گیا یہ راولا کوٹس مز نا بیٚیہِ دھرنس مز راولا کوٹس مز تر سن پورم لوگ بہت نا بنیادی حقوق خاطر تم ووٹ منگانا تم بجلی منگانا تم ڈاکٹر منگانا تم پن چیک اپ سہ منگا پن سڑکیں منگا لگمت اور پاکستانی فورسز آم پاکستان پہ نا سن پولیس اور پاکستان پولیس کٹ رلت نا لوکن شہید کران لوکن گوائل لایا سان سون لوگ بالکل پورامن ان اصل کھانا سوٹ کھانا ڈنڈ پاکستانی فورسز نا یہ ہندوستان اس پہ کرا مقبوضہ کشمیر مز نا تم پہ بلیٹ گن استعمال کرا سٹریٹ فائر کرا بچو گنو تن فائر کرا بختربان گاڑی چھکنا یوت آئم تمو ستن سان لوکن نا شہید کرا صرف سن غلطی کہ بنیادی حقوق نہ منگا پہ ونان مقبوضہ کشمیر مز حقوق نا تم لوگ احتجاج کرا لیکن حقیقت یہ کہ یت کشمیر مز نا حقوق اس سون اسمبلی مظفر آباد نام نہاد اسمبلی ات مز حکمران بہان حکمران انتہائی بیانک قسم انتہائی دلال قسم کہ یمو کر اس پہ فورسز انت مسلط بالکل سن نسل کشی کران بہ سوچا کہ کرو نا آزاد لیکن یہ آئی اس سمجھ مز نا یہ کہ تم تم آزاد گمت یا بنت غلام گمت بنت اس ہر طرف لگمت مارا سن خوراک بند سن ژوٹ بند سن بجلی بند سن انٹرنیٹ بند سن موبائل بند سان سڑکیں بند سن تعلیمی ادارے بند سن سرکاری سکول بند ات سون کا بچہ سکولس مز نہ پڑا تم ساری بند گمت بن اوورسیز ونکس برطانیہ مجھ بیلجیم مجھ امریکہ مجھ یہ تم سن نا تہ اپیل کران سن داد رسی کرو عالمی دنیا پہ گھو تک تلو فورم آواز تلو ات تھی ہمن کشمیر والن خاطر آواز تلان اتھے کنس تلو اس خاطر نا آواز اس لکھمت بلا وجہ نا مارا بلا وجہ لکھمت اس قتل کران اس تو یہ درخواست کران لکھمت کہ میر وائے صاحب التجا کران پات اس کشمیری قیادت بی شبیر شاہ صاحب یم گرفتار نا بیٚیہِ یُس قیادت نا بی تم اپیل لکھمت کران تھی کرو کہ آواز تلو تاکہ تھی ایرانس تھی واتو خبر ایران ونکس پاکستان ایران امریکی سالسی لوگمت کرنا بس اس کیا لوگمت مارا اس پہ کیا لوگمت بترون گاڑی اس پہ کیا لوگمت کلیش نا لہٰذا تہ اپیل کران آواز کرو عالمی دنیا پہ آواز کرو نا کہ سون اس آواز واتن یوت تاکہ اس پہ بن رحم اس پہ بن کرم ان شاء اللہ تعالیٰ وقت یاد لڑو پرامن جنگ لڑو اور پرامن جنگ لڑا انشاء اللہ متد منظم بنو بہت شکریہ.